That's actually very relaxing. That is absolutely lovely, I must admit. We've done a bit of a long walk today, and this is definitely helping taking the weight off my feet. Oh, and it's got a little sort of swing to it. That's lovely. Oh, very pleasant. This is a review of a hammock that has been kindly sent to me by Lavievert, which, as far as I'm aware, means the green life, or the life green. I believe they're going to offer us a discount coupon for this hammock, so if anybody's interested in buying it, you are more than welcome to have a look in the comments below, and I shall put some information in there about discount codes and that kind of good stuff. What we've got up here, tied to these two trees, are two big strapping straps, very, very hard wearing, heavy duty straps. They've got multiple holes in them, which gives you the ability to be able to set these straps for different sized trees. Bit of a tree hugging moment. This is quite a big tree right here, and over the other side we have a slightly smaller tree. So what we have here then are some carabiners, and I would say these are pretty good carabiners. I wouldn't say they're the specification of mountain climbing carabiners, but they're certainly good solid carabiners. And then we've got some rather serious nylon style rope, which is knotted up to the carabiner, which makes this really easy just to disconnect and reconnect to your anchor point. And then here we have almost like a parachute type of material, super strong parachute material, triple stitched in here, and this is pretty good quality, I would say. I don't think they're asking too much money for it. I will say this, in general, I don't think it would be particularly useful for bushcrafting. I think it's more of a sort of sit down holiday, you know, maybe in the backyard type of hammock and read a book. But for a night bushcrafting, probably not that good, just because it doesn't have a mosquito net over the top of it, and also because it doesn't come with a tarpaulin. So you might get bitten if you fall asleep in it by a little insect, and the tarpaulin that you don't have might allow you to get wet. So certainly good for the backyard, chill out on a nice sunny afternoon, and dead easy to set up. Has its own little stuff sack, and it all just sort of rolls up and pops into its own little stuff sack here. So really cool piece of kit, I would say. Cool and trendy, definitely not bushcrafty, but awesome for your deck or your patio, or perhaps even if you've gone camping. Packs up into a tiny little bag, as I mentioned, so if you've gone camping and you fancy just slinging your hammock somewhere, it's really easy to do. Good stuff. Well, thank you very much, Lavievert. We should definitely make use of this during various different camp trips. And as I say, I believe they're going to offer us a discount coupon for this. I suppose, without further ado, you'll probably all want to see me fall out of this thing, won't you? So let's see if we can make that happen. Oh. That's actually very relaxing. Oh, and it's got a little sort of swing to it. That's lovely. Oh, very pleasant.